Miss Terri from the GCLS Swedesboro Library, and I'm bringing you a springtime craft. So we're going to make a flower that is on a popsicle stick. And I'll give the link to you so that you will be able to look it up if you're having some trouble. Now, a 4-year-old might have a little trouble with this. They can do the gluing part, but 5 and up I think should be able to help fold as well. So you need some construction paper, whatever color you want your flower to be. Mine is pink. So you cut out 7 or 8 if you want a fuller flower, circles, any size. So of course the bigger the circle, the bigger your flower is going to be. Then you need some green construction paper to cut out 2 leaves. And you need some kind of color, brown or yellow or something, with this tiny circle to make the center of your flower. You need a popsicle stick. I had colored ones, but you can have your kids color or paint a popsicle green. Or they can leave it plain, that's fine too. And then you need glue. So you either need Elmer's or a stick. Elmer's glue probably would work a little bit better. So the tricky part is just the folding. So I have some of mine folded already so you can see what they're going to look like when they're folded. So you take your circle and you're going to fold it in half like that. And then you're going to fold it in half again. That looks like that. Then you open it up so that you have your half circle. And you're going to fold this edge right to the middle. So it looks like that. Then you're going to be folding your other rounded edge down to make your petal. So I found that if I fold it so that, you see how your thing is folded there? Like this edge here, that's where I would fold it over, like that. And then when you open it, you'll have your petal. Because these are going to be what you're going to glue on. So let's try another one. You're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Open it, fold your half, fold this side to the middle, like that, and then you're going to be folding this side to make your petal. So you're going to fold it over. So it looks like that. Then you're going to just open that petal up like that. Let's do one more. So you fold it in half. Fold it in half again. Open it. Take your edge and fold it to the middle. You can see my kitty cat has joined us for the video. More to make trouble. Like that. And then you're going to fold that side down to make the petal. And like I said, if you fold it to that upper corner there, it seems to make a better petal. Fold it. And then kind of like that. And then just open the petal. Oops, I folded it too far. You see what happened? It made like a loop, so I don't want that. So I'm going to try folding that again. So it might take a few tries to get it right. It's not like I had it perfect the first time I did it. There we go. Alright, and now comes the gluing part. So I'm going to put glue on that folded edge there. and lay my other flower on top of it. And then I'm just going to be folding so the petals are like overlapping each other. So here's my next little fold right there. So I'm going to put glue on that. And put my next flower on it. And I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm putting it on the next fold. And doing the next fold. Just kind of push them so they overlap, and you're going to have to hold them down, get them to dry. On the next fold. And I'm just opening up my petals too as I'm gluing. And I have one more. And then on your last one, you're going to put glue there and put the, on that little square, little oval thing. Sorry, my flower's kind of falling apart a little bit because you got to hold it for a while. Then you're going to glue your circle in the middle. Glue on my circle. Put it in the middle of my flower. Now, it's probably better to use Scotch tape to put your flower on, but it might stay a little bit better. It's like mine is not staying too well because I've got to keep holding it to let it dry. Glue my leaves on. Just put them at the bottom of the popsicle stick somewhere, wherever you want them. So it's done, it's just not really dry yet, so I think if I pick it up it's going to fall apart, so I don't know if you can see it that way. So you really have to let it dry, because it took a while for this one to dry. And that's it. So I'll give you the link, but you do have to be patient to let it dry, because if I go to pick this up now, it's just going to fall apart. But I thought that looked kind of pretty because it's more like a little bit of a three-dimensional rather than just a flat flower. So I hope you have fun. Don't get too frustrated. And I'll put the link in there so you can watch somebody else also be making it. All right. I hope you have fun crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.